Urani mukariri gite wa kamiti ya watho na Kyoto na nowe mubunge wa Tharaka Jiji Murugaara noritie mbunge nene gutegera mpongeri ya mathabu ja thirikari na kuthamia mbeca ira ciathuririo obisi ya mwandikithania wa biama bya gisiasa cietekire biama byongwa bobone nyuma ya mateta ja kiama kia ODM nyuma ya mbeca ciao kugitwa Murugaara amana bona ugite ni akugwata mbaru kugitwa kwa mbeca iu kenda cikwa kiri mirandi ya thirikari irekaguna mu Kenya.
Mwikariri gitwa kamiti ya watho na sheria bunge ni nene na ule no mubunge wa Tharaka gitonga Murugaara na ulite bunge no kulaithire mendekithia mankeme kurungamira wandikithia bwa biama ile kinyiti mateta bunge ni eno nyuma ya kigina kia milioni 867 kile ni kimo gya kigina kile akithije kia meno kugitwa kimubango wa supplementary budget 1 ile letokilio kwa makuwe muthenyo wa umndi kia meno ni mbiro kinyambira kamiti ni ya Murugaara nyuma ya kiama kia ODM guteta nikikigina giki kiombita kugitwa kulingana obisi ne wandikithia bwa biama thina tikiribo hende nikiribunge no ile tukire kugitwa kwa kigina giki.
ODM complains that the budget of political parties in the political parties fund was actually reduced or cut during the supplementary budget 1, and which is true because 867 million was taken away from the fund to fund the other urgent projects, and the response we have received from the Registrar of Political Parties is that they have nothing to do with the cuts. This is a responsibility of Parliament as the budget making house and the one that makes appropriations to do its work. It has done its work, though the office is also not satisfied with the action taken, and they have said they will make recommendations to the House for reconsideration and, if possible, reinstatement of part of that money in supplementary. 2.
We have been able to work together. This time, money was not cut at Treasury. You can see that. Money was actually cut at parliamentary level, meaning that we have been able to engage with the National Treasury to see the value of this fund, and that's why this particular time they are not the one who initiated the deduction. So that means that we are engaging, and that's why we are before you, Chair, also to really persuade you that this is an important part that you can be able to fund.
Kulingana mutongeri wa obisi no anderito kugitwa kigina giki gukainyiria nene urutingugi bwa biama bibi bya gisiasa.
That part of it is that Kenya is a multi-party democracy, and therefore promotion of democracy will be a problem when the budget cut comes. Election is a cycle, and we all know that. So this particular period, when there's no election, is when party plan the activities towards getting more members, towards getting more candidates, and towards getting more elected leaders using their party ticket. So that one will be affected.
Kulingana kamiti ya bunge nene obangani bwa kigina kagita kala bangani ge budget eno ya supplementary kugitwa kigina giki ni membe bange ya thirikari ya gwikirorito miradi ya thirikari heria mona gutigara ni kuona mbesa ja kumitithia na mbele mwenogu okagita kama mubungo jwa Tharaka gitonga Murugaara alugana kugwata mbaru mibango ene onde ya thirikari ethina gwitena weregero mbesa ino kethira igisokua kire budget ya thirikari ya supplementary budget 2 mwaka tuthiete.
We must confess that the biggest problem is inadequate funds, and we have to do reallocations to try and meet the most urgent of the needs. And when evaluated, maybe this was not one of the most urgent needs. So you have to excuse Parliament because it cannot expand these resources. We have to be available from Treasury, and we just have to do it.
Realigning our priorities while sticking to the core of the better priorities. So we are just trying to accelerate the growth of our economy by putting money where they ought to be.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kadenya.